The Pancakeswap crypto is one of the more intriguing cryptocurrencies launched in the past 18 months or so. The token has generated a lot of interest from fans of decentralized finance. But what is Cake? And what are the Pancakeswap syrup pool? To find out, keep on watching this video. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Animations, the channel where we explain to our viewers the different types of cryptocurrencies and everything new investors should know. In today's video, we will talk about what Pancakeswap syrup pool is, so be sure to be attentive, because you clearly don't want to miss out on an amazing opportunity to win a giveaway of a $25 crypto coin of your choice. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads. Now, with the intro out of the way, let's get into our topic for today. Pancakeswap is one of the top DeFi protocols on the Binance Smart Chain with some decent metrics. BNB tokens are used to pay for gas fees on this protocol. Users are rewarded with the native token Cake that allows them to participate more fully by voting, playing the lottery, and making predictions. The first thing that will catch your eye immediately when the homepage is loaded is the cute sleepy-eyed bunny floating around with the bottle pack behind its back. Pancakeswap lives on the Binance Smart Chain. The Binance Smart Chain, or the BSC, entered the market on September 1, 2020. This fourth-generation blockchain was designed to run parallel to Binance Chain. Impressively, BSC is far more advanced than its earlier chain. For example, the platform is capable of faster and cheaper transactions. The network features ultra-high performance and can produce a block every 3 seconds. One of the main goals behind the BSC was to create smart contracts and the staking mechanism for BNB. Binance's development team created the BEP20 token standard to accomplish this task. You can think of BEP20 as Binance's version of the hugely popular ERC20 token standard. However, since BEP20 tokens reside on the BSC, they can be traded for far less and provide users with some unique opportunities not available on their Ethereum counterparts. Pancakeswap serves a vital role in the market at this time. The platform helps to rectify various issues that currently plague the market. Though its innovative approach and commitment to security, Pancakeswap has secured itself as a viable alternative to the current DeFi and DEX leader, Uniswap. The first issue that Pancakeswap addresses is the growing centralization within the market. No one can argue that the DeFi revolution wasn't born on the Ethereum blockchain. Around 90% of all tokens are ERC20 based. The standard quickly became the norm following the ICO craze of 2017. In 2020, ERC tokens received another boost from the market as DeFi platforms began to launch on the network. While all of this development sounds amazing from the outside, it quickly becomes evident there are some problems when you enter the market. For one, Ethereum is a proof-of-work network and still is plagued by scalability issues. Specifically, the transaction delays and fees go up as the network becomes congested. Ethereum relies on a processing fee known as gas to incentivize network nodes to execute Ethereum virtual machines instances. Think of EVMs as smart contracts grouped to form specific actions. Today, Ethereum is busier than ever. Consequently, it costs more than ever to complete transactions. The average gas cost for a typical transaction during 2021 is $20. Additionally, the network takes around 5 minutes to complete trades. The BSC also provides a more responsive trading experience for users. Pancakeswap users' transactions are complete in under 5 seconds in most scenarios. Faster transaction times allow investors to earn more because they open up more arbitrage trading opportunities. They also allow traders to stay ahead of trends and reduce slippage. A user can become a liquidity provider on Pancakeswap to receive rewards. Doing so is easy and keeps the AMM liquid for exchange users. Click Liquidity, then add liquidity and make sure your wallet is unlocked. Now, you'll be asked to specify which tokens you're providing liquidity for. Remember, providing liquidity on Pancakeswap is done in pairs, meaning you must provide 2 tokens. You can provide liquidity to either existing pools or a pool created by you. Creating your own pool is usually done by new projects looking to debut their cryptocurrency token. Once you select the pair you're providing liquidity for, go ahead and deposit by confirming the transaction. After depositing, you'll receive Flip, an LP token representing your stake in the pool. The benefit of holding the Flip LP token is every time an exchange happens that taps into your pool's liquidity, you receive a portion of the rewards. To claim those rewards, you redeem your Flip tokens to unlock the underlying assets that have grown in value by now. Providing liquidity means your original asset amounts increase as the pools therein is used for exchange transactions. Yield farming means you deposit one set of tokens to mint another token altogether. To yield a farm using Pancakeswap, select the Farms tab. Make sure the toggle is switched over to Live Farms so you see what's going on right now. A long list of options should populate the page, including many farms with BUSD and BNB base pairs. Pancakeswap farming APY is high across several pairs, with farms like Dusk BNB earning well over 200% APY. Choose the farms that interest you the most, then click Details to see how much cake each farm earns. After clicking Details, Pancakeswap will prompt you to unlock your wallet before detecting the currencies inside and allowing you to deposit them on the farm. Once you've deposited, the page will update with your cake earned. Pancakeswap introduces innovative ways to create new income streams. Users can secure profits using the DEX and enjoy lower fees. They can also stake and farm their tokens to earn rewards effortlessly. The network supports the trading and issuance of non-fungible tokens, or more famously known as NFTs. These collectible tokens are one of the fastest growing sectors in the blockchain market at this time. They are gaining in value quickly, with some recent NFTs selling for millions. Pancakeswap operates as an automated market maker, or the AMM. AMMs don't rely on an order book to match buyers and sellers. Instead, the platform leverages liquidity pools and complex algorithms to link these parties directly. AMMs provide better rates, speed, and reduce slippage. Consequently, many of the top platforms in the market today, such as Uniswap and SushiSwap, operate as AMMs. Pancakeswap has also introduced some exclusive pools to the equation with the Syrup pools. These are liquidity pools with high rewards. Some of these pools are yielding 43.33% to 275.12% APY. Additionally, you can earn other tokens aside from cake when you stake in Syrup pools. Users can earn rewards in UST, Lena, SwingBuy, and more. Pancakeswap Syrup pools are a way to stake your cake tokens in exchange for a Binance Smart Chain project's new token. The way it works is you deposit your cake token in a Syrup pool to receive the project's BEP20 token in return. You get a shiny new token that might rise in value, and the project receives liquidity bootstrapping for their project and an immediate listing on Pancakeswap exchange. To get into a Syrup pool, click Pools, find the one that appeals to you, then deposit your cake and receive new tokens. Syrup pool allows Binance Smart Chain projects to bootstrap adoption by distributing a portion of their tokens to Syrup token holders. Syrup pool will be split into two sections, Core and Community. 1. The Pancakeswap team will initially select the Core. 2. Communities will be projected that pass a community vote on the governance portal. Since Pancakeswap has had the fairest launch ever, Syrup pool projects will allow projects to receive market attention by issuing tokens to the largest and most active BSC community. Projects will also receive an immediate default listing on the Pancakeswap interface, obtaining priority promotion on the exchange by ranking temporarily first in selecting tokens on the website. Governance, collecting fees, stacking cake block rewards, and the upcoming Golden Syrup Lottery are some of the Syrup token's core utility functions for now. With Syrup Pool, a new function has been offered for Syrup holders in Pancakeswap, adding the toppings to Syrup and the cake. Pancakeswap is far from the only decentralized exchange. The world of DEXs is growing, with new decentralized exchanges coming into play on a reasonably regular basis. While Pancakeswap has a unique aesthetic, it is possible that its usage of the Binance Smart Chain as opposed to Ethereum could end up hindering its take-up with traders. Furthermore, while DEXs are growing, the most popular way to trade crypto remains on traditional exchanges. These are seen as being more versatile when it comes to what sorts of coins and tokens they offer. And there is every possibility that the anonymity of Pancakeswap's founders might just end up counting against it. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on the Pancakeswap Syrup Pool? Let us know in the comments section down below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day today, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.